I'm Sean McDonald, and this is my wife Pam McDonald, and we are the co-owners of MAEDC Incorporated. MAEDC has been in business for 19 years, and we manufacture engineered repair kits for damaged pallet rack systems. We chose Missouri because there were several options. We're an Illinois-based company, and we had looked at several areas around Missouri, from Cape Girardeau out to Kansas City, and actually came across the Moberly facility. It looked like it was going to be a great fit, and was a great fit, and there's great people and great labor opportunities in Moberly.
The Moberly Area Economic Development helped us tremendously with tax incentives, along with the tax paperwork. They set us up with people I could talk to and question.
There were a few challenges in moving to this facility with some of the utility issues. Moberly Area EDC had helped us a lot with that, and dealing with the local government and improving our water and sewer.
Logistics and transportation in Missouri has actually been quite good. Our steel supplier is fairly local, which is one of the reasons why we came to Missouri, because we were between Kansas City and St. Louis. We have several LTL carriers within the Columbia area and Moberly that has been able to service us nationwide.
Certainly from a tax base, our taxes are literally about a 5% fraction of what they would have been operating out of northern Illinois, outside of Chicago and Joliet, where we came from. Comparatively, we had 1.7 acres, and our taxes were almost 10 times higher than they are for this particular property, which is 12 acres and 70,000 square foot. So we're extremely pleased to be in this environment over where we came from, which is another key reason why we wanted to relocate our manufacturing out of Illinois, as so many others are. The quality of the workers that we have here, I'm very proud of all of them. I mean, they're a great part of our team here, and without them, MAEDC would not continue to be what it's been in the market. There's probably been about 5 of my employees that have relocated down here, and I've heard nothing but positives from them about cost of living is less. They're getting much more housing for much less cost, and the schools are all good. They're all very happy to be in the area and not looking to go anywhere else. Since they've been here full time, they now consider this home. Moberly Area EDC was instrumental in making this a very smooth transition, and we were able to kind of climb a mountain, and it was very easily with their help.